Hey guys, it's John with the ProCut here with another episode of DIY with the ProCut. And in today's episode, we're going to teach you how to change out your windshield wiper blades and refill your squirter reservoir in a 2014 Jeep Compass. And it's pretty much the same for every vehicle, so stick around, you might learn something. And take a minute, click that subscribe button, click that like button, and leave a comment down below on anything you want me to teach you how to do in the future. Have a great day. All right, so let's show you how to change windshield wiper blades on a 2014 Jeep Compass. It's real simple. When you go to buy your wiper blades, there'll be a little book that'll tell you which ones to get. This particular vehicle takes a 22-inch on the driver's side and a 20-inch on the passenger side. So you pull the blades up, and there's a little tab in here. This one's wanting to be damn difficult. Right. All right, you lift that up and then it just pulls right out like that. Lift that little deal up, pull the new blade on there, put that back down, and it's that simple. I'm going to get you a little closer up on the passenger side. And so on these Bosch that were on here, you're going to lift that tab up, pull it down, get rid of the old one, and then on the new Rain-X one that's going on, it's got a little hood. Slide that into there, lock it into place, put the hood down, and it is really that simple. Okay, so the vehicle also needs windshield washer fluid. So the first thing you need to do is come into your floorboard area on the driver's side, pull your hood release. And then in the center of the hood, you'll have a latch. Put your hood stand up, and then you'll notice one of your containers, and it'll have a little windshield washer squirter picture on it. And just fill it up to the top. And I like to use the Rain-X brand. That way, in a good heavy downpour, you hardly need to use your wiper blades because the rain will just sheet right off your windshield. I'm going to go ahead and reverse the process. Put your hood stand down and drop your hood. I'm John with the ProCut, and that's how to put on new windshield wiper blades and fill up your windshield squirter reservoir in a 2014 Jeep Compass. And it's roughly the same in every vehicle out there, so if your wife needs new wiper blades on her vehicle, get out there and do it for her. It really is that easy. Have a great night.